Okay, Stuart Dunn, the creator of Universal Rocks, and I'd like to show you some of the amazing characteristics of our product and the material that we use to make it. Firstly, here's one of our accent rocks, and as you'll see it's quite light. It wasn't when I moulded it from the real rock, and that's what we do. We get real rocks, we take moulds from those with rubber, and then we use a crushed rock and sand, very much the same as the colouring that was used, that the rock was made of, and we put that in as we make that, and it turns out exactly like the real thing. But at the same time, it's light and also very, very strong. So you can see these, you're not going to break it, you're not going to chip it. And what I want to do is show you a real good example of that. This is a real rock, okay? And typically you have a nice little ledge like that bit coming over here, the same as we have with the water dripping off. And if you get the hammer, as you would with a real rock, watch this. This is no gimmick, okay? Bang, that's what's going to happen. But you come along to a bit that's similar to that. Okay, no scratching. This is the end of the hammer. It is really, really tough and great to work with. This is another pretty amazing characteristic. Often we have to do that when we're using these over the edge of a swimming pool, or we're doing some things that we put in fish tanks. But watch this. Okay, so we pick this up. Okay, at the same time, you can cut it with a knife. So there's parts of it a bit tough to get through, but at the same time, a simple knife will cut this rock material. Okay, we have a whole range of bench seats, which like this. What we've done to make this even a bit stronger is we've put some steel bars through that, so no one's going to break that whatsoever. You need to clean these. You can power wash this with as tough a power washer as you want, and you won't damage the surface or a weed eater around the edges if you put it on the grass, and it's done. So there's not really much more to say. The material lasts. We've been making this since 1997. It handles the coldest temperatures of America and Canada and the hottest temperatures of Australia and parts of Arizona and California. So look forward to enjoying Universal Rocks for many, many, many years. And thanks for joining me. Stay tuned.